In today's video, I'll show you how to send a message in Asana. If you need to update your team on progress without creating a task, messaging is the fastest way to do it, and it keeps the conversation right inside your project. Let's jump in. Every project in Asana has a dedicated Messages tab, so first I'll open my project and click on Messages. This gives your team a shared space to post announcements, updates, or general conversation without cluttering your task list. Now I'll click into the message box to start writing. Asana lets you address the message to specific projects, teams, or people, so by default, it's already set up to reach everyone on this project. Next, I'll type out my update. Just like that, my message is ready and I can see exactly who it's going to before sending it. Finally, I'll click Send to share the update with my team. And there it is. The message is posted right in the thread, with a timestamp and my name attached, so everyone can see exactly when it went out. To recap, just open your project, click Messages, click into the Compose box, type your update, and hit Send. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.